how to send documents and files on WhatsApp. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send documents to your friends or families in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. If not, for iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the chat section to send documents to your friends or families. If you find their name here, simply click on it, and if not, click on the search bar and type in their name. If you want to start a new conversation with that friend, then simply click on this plus icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on the person's name. After that, click on this plus icon on your screen. Here you can see this document option. Click on document. Now you have three different options. You can either choose from files, photo or video, or scan document. Click on the document that you want to send, and after that click on send. And that's it. This is how you send documents and files on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.